So, you want to share your knowledge and expertise with the world in the form of an online course. Maybe even create a full-time business. And you're thinking, how do I do that? What's the right tool I should use? And look, I get it. There are so many tools to choose from when you're building an online business or a knowledge-based business and selling courses, etc. But two of the biggest that you're probably debating between are Kajabi and Teachable. So today we're going to take a look at both platforms' pricing, features, etc. That way you can decide which one is best for you. Now personally, I use Kajabi to run my online business, but there's still a ton of value that Teachable provides. So by taking a look at both of them, you can decide which one is best for your business and your goals. Now, if at any point in this video you are absolutely sold on Kajabi like I was when I first found out about it, I'm offering you a free 30-day trial of Kajabi. Whereas if you go to Kajabi on their main website, you only get 14 days. So that's twice the amount of time that you now have to play with the program, to even set up your entire business, whatever it is, when you use my link. Now it is an affiliate link, so if you use your 30 days, you started paying either monthly or yearly investment, I get a small percentage of that investment because I referred you to Kajabi. And you won't be charged anything extra when you use my link. The only difference is that I just get a small percentage. So if you like this channel, you like my content, and I've provided value to you, it's like kind of like a little incentive that you're throwing me each month or every year depending on what plan you use. I'm also going to throw in some extra goodies to better support you in your online success using the platform. So there is a link in the description to take advantage of that free trial, or you can always go to consistentpeak.com/Kajabi. Okay, so this is Teachable. We're just going to kind of check out what it offers. Both of them help you build a knowledge business, basically sharing what you know in the form of an online course or coaching services, and really, like it says here, transform your expertise or your experience and your know-how into a thriving knowledge business. Now we can check out the features and the pricing right here. So what's cool is that Teachable provides unlimited products and students on all your plans, which is super great. So annual, monthly, we'll just do monthly because that's what most people do. We come down here. So here's something cool that Teachable does that Kajabi doesn't, is that they have a free plan. Kajabi doesn't have a free plan. And then they have basic, pro, or business. So it's $0 per month, $39 to $119. And then the last one is $100 or $299 per month. But if we go down here, you can actually see what all these different things include, the different plans. And yeah, you can literally get started for free with Teachable. So that right there is a huge pro compared to Kajabi. But pay attention to this, because if you scroll down, it lets you know what is included with your free plan. You do get unlimited students, super cool, unlimited courses. That's super cool. That can actually be a detriment to people, is that they can just get lost in creating courses. And it's not really about how many courses you have. It's about having just a few really good courses that reach your audience, or different levels or stages of your audience, because you could have an entry-level course and a flagship course, maybe a membership site, having a few different levels for people to move forward to and invest in, up to like your top level where it's like one-on-one coaching or whatever. So the unlimited piece and getting started for free, I think for me would be the most appealing pieces to using Teachable versus Kajabi, if I was just starting out especially. But you do have to pay attention to one thing, because right here, while it is a free plan, if you scroll down, it says $1 plus 10% per transaction. So let's say that you sell a $100 course. They're going to take $10 from you, but actually be $11 because they're taking an extra dollar on top of those $10 if it was a $97 course or a $100 course for every sale that you make. And then if you sold one course per month, they would be taking $10 per month. So really, you're not actually getting a free account, but you can at least just get started, get the ball rolling, especially if you're new to creating courses or being an online business in general. Okay, and then even if you go up to the next level plan, their basic plan, which is $39 per month on the monthly plan that they have, 5% per transaction. So you do have to watch out for those transaction fees, especially if you are making sales. But if you are making sales, most likely you're not going to sign up for these, but it's just something to really consider. You do get instant payouts, like we said, unlimited courses, product bundles, course design templates, which is awesome. So it's pretty much just drag and drop. And then one admin level user, you get product support, third-party integrations like Zapier you can add to this, and you even get quizzes, which is something really cool. It's also a great lead magnet right there, are quizzes. But then as you climb the different tiers, the basic one, you get 2 admin level users. So let's say that you have an assistant or a part-time person that's helping you out and uploading, your blogs or whatever it is they're doing, maybe updating a product or uploading your products for you. You can give them access to the back end of your Teachable. But as you go down more, you get custom domain support only on the basic one, not on the free one. You get coupon codes, drip course content, which is cool. And if you don't know what that is, it's like if someone can't progress through the course until they finish module 1 or lesson 1, and then they get to unlock lesson 2. So that's like drip course content. And yeah, basically you just get more bang for your buck. The more you go up, you get 5 admin level users with the pro plan, and then business, you get 20 admin level users, which is pretty ridiculous. For most people, the most recommended, as they say, would be the pro, because the coolest piece about the pro is that there are no transaction fees. So when you make a sale for $100, you get to keep that. Well, obviously with taxes and whatever, but they're not taking an extra 5 to 10% plus $1 for every transaction that you make. All right, so let's go check out Kajabi next. It says the #1 platform to grow your knowledge business. So much like Teachable, you're also growing a knowledge business where you want to teach people what you know, turn that into a profitable online business. I think the coolest thing that was really attractive for me when I started using Kajabi or even looking into it is that it is an all-in-one platform. And what do I mean by that? Well, when you scroll down, it shows you right here, your business before Kajabi, you're using all these different things like MailChimp, ClickFunnels, Constant Contact, et cetera, Wix, all these different things that go into creating an online business, because there are a lot of different tools that you need to build a successful online business. But if we look at the video, you scroll down a little bit and then it puts them all together, cool little visual to create Kajabi. So let's go over to the pricing tab, choose your plan to start your 14-day trial. You do save 20% with annual billing. Most people probably do, a monthly plan. So we'll stick with monthly for the sake of this video. Most popular is their growth plan. So it is $199 a month. And that's the one that I use. But there's also the basic plan, which is $150 per month. And then the pro plan, which is $399 per month. So if we scroll down, we'll look at the different features, etc. over here. With the basic plan, you get 3 products, 3 pipelines, which are basically funnels that they already have built for you, which is great. You literally just decide if you want it to be an event pipeline or if you want to have a pipeline for a specific product, and it already lays out a good baseline and templates for you in the sequential order of opting in, going over to a page where they can check out your product and then invest from there. So they put all those things together for you, depending on the pipeline that you choose, and you get 3 of those pipelines that are active. You can always delete a pipeline and then just create a new, different pipeline as well. You get unlimited landing pages, which you can actually connect and make more pipelines. So theoretically, you can actually have unlimited pipelines, even if you did this plan. You get unlimited marketing emails, which is killer, because that right there, like they promised, takes out MailChimp or Constant Contact or ActiveCampaign or whatever you're using to send out your emails. You get 10,000 contacts and then 1,000 active members, a website, and 1 admin user. Now, what's also cool is that you get Kajabi University, where they literally teach you how to use Kajabi and the different features, etc. And what's cool about Kajabi, unlike Teachable, is that Kajabi gives you a 0% transaction fee on every single plan. So no matter what, there's no transaction fee that they take from the money that you make in your online business, whether that's for coaching or course sales or a membership, anything. You can also host webinars and events, templates. Their templates are super easy. And then assessments, which are basically quizzes and surveys that you can use to collect information from people or use as a lead magnet as well. So Teachable and Kajabi both use quizzes, but Kajabi just calls them assessments. And here's something cool. You get 1 customer success activation call with every single plan, where they actually sit down with you and you explain to them your goals, where you're at in your business, etc. And you basically get a real coaching call with someone from Kajabi. You also get automations and chat support, but as you grow in the different plans and the tiers that they have, you get 24/7 chat support, which is really nice. I've never used the basic plan that they have, so I don't really know what the hours are for chat support on that, because I've always just stuck with the growth plan. Because in the growth plan, you get everything that we just talked about, and actually more. You get 10 admin users, but you get advanced automations, ability to remove the Kajabi branding, which is super cool. And then you also get to have the affiliate program where you can have affiliates under you. So if you're selling a course, you can have other people promote the course for you, and then you would just you can automatically do it all, but you can send them a percentage of the sale because they referred someone to buy your course. So it's a great income stream that a lot of people take advantage of. Now, if we go up here, you get 15 products, 15 pipelines, unlimited landing pages, unlimited marketing emails, 25,000 contacts, 10,000 active members. That's like people who've actually enrolled in your course and that can actually be your course members. The contacts are the people on your email list. You get a website and then 3 admin users. You get a website and then, like I said before, 10 admin users. So this is the one that I recommend and that they recommend as well. It's just the best bang for your buck. You might be thinking like $199, $200. It's kind of crazy. But honestly, people spend so much money and time setting up all these different websites together when Kajabi just puts everything in one place. Like I said before, that was the most attractive thing to me because I value simplicity. I want to just have my website and my landing pages and all that stuff linked together in one spot. And that's how I found out about Kajabi, because they really do just keep it simple. And if you're thinking about, like 3 products or 15 products, like I said before, it's not about having unlimited products, which is very attractive to like using Teachable. But I think I kind of like Kajabi that it only limits you to a certain amount because it kind of forces you to make better products. It's not just about the amount of products that you have, it's about the quality of the product. And if you have one really solid course, that thing can just sell again and again and again and continuously make you money without you having to constantly be creating new courses. Also, something that Kajabi does that Teachable doesn't is that in Kajabi, you can create membership sites, which is another income stream. And that can be one of your products as well. So you could have a flagship course, a mini course, and then a membership. And you can do all of that inside the basic version of Kajabi for only $150 a month. Now, it doesn't matter how much money you make in your business, you're still going to be spending $150, $200, or if you want to do the pro, you can do $400 a month. Most people, it's going to be the basic or the growth plan. But if you make $300 a month, you're still going to pay $200 a month. And also, if you make $30,000 a month or more, you're still going to pay $200 for the growth plan or $150 for the basic plan. So in looking at these 2 platforms, consider what your goal is before you sign up for one of them. Do you already have a pretty successful, smooth running business and you just want to create a course and get it out there for people to use? Are you just starting out and you have very little capital, or maybe you're on a budget right now and you just want to get something rolling so you can make some sales? Or are you looking to build a complete online empire where you can create courses, membership sites, have your website, host your blog, send out emails, and do all of that stuff in one place? If you're looking to do everything and run your business in one place and keep things simple, then you should use Kajabi, or at least consider it and try out the free trial. For me, I knew that Kajabi was the right platform, and it was just something that I really wanted because they really have great templates. I know Teachable does too. For me, I was just attracted to Kajabi because everything inside Kajabi is super intuitive, it's sleek, it's sexy, and it just kind of makes you more professional in the online space. When people see my website, they think that I paid someone to build that website, but I built it myself and it's super simple. And I built it all in Kajabi just using the website template that they give you. So if you are serious about building this online business, you really want to be in this for the long run, then you should just sign up with Kajabi. Just try out the free trial and figure out a way to make it happen, because when the ball starts rolling and you're making sales and everything, it's going to be so worth it. But again, if you're looking to just kind of get the ball rolling, or maybe you just want to sell courses, Teachable is probably the way to go for you. You can get started for free, and then you could always transfer all this data and information over to Kajabi later on down the road. So as you can tell, Kajabi is the way to go if you're really serious about creating an online knowledge-based business, meaning that you're teaching people, you're sharing knowledge, you're coaching or consulting people. Kajabi is the best platform in my opinion. And if you're sold on Kajabi, but that monthly payment is pretty scary for you, you don't know if you can make it happen, or maybe you're just on a budget, whatever it is, I get it. And here's what I recommend for you to get started. Start by creating creating a simple free website using Squarespace, Wix, or WordPress, or you can even use Teachable as well on their free plan. And the goal of the website is just to put out content. So like a blog, you could put YouTube videos, a podcast, or just a long form written or a mix of all of those, and have a tasty lead magnet that entices people to download it. And in exchange, they will now be on your list. Now, in the meantime of collecting leads through this free website, you start building a rock solid online course. Then when your course is set up, you sign up for Kajabi, take advantage of the free trial to set up your systems and upload your videos, create descriptions, and put everything together. And in that time as well, that's when you move your current list over to Kajabi. Because in Kajabi, you can go to the People's tab and then go over to Add Contacts, and you can import a CSV file. And you can bulk import contacts into Kajabi that way. And remember, when you use my link, you get double the amount of time to play with the platform and to set everything up. And ideally, make a couple sales. If you really are serious about this, you want to create multiple streams of income, Kajabi's the way to go. It just simplifies online business, keeps everything in one place, and you're not having to sign into all these different tools and websites and everything. And it's going to make the experience of being an online business owner a lot more fun. Plus, Kajabi has tons of trainings and videos to help you better succeed in the online space. Now, if you want to check out a behind the scenes look of Kajabi and the dashboard that everybody gets when they use the platform, check out this video I did on an overview of the platform and what you can do in Kajabi before you commit and make your decision to sign up. So take what you learned here, get out there and start growing your online business. I'll see you in the next one.